Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at a demonstration of an AI agent called NRI-Assist. What is NRI-Assist? NRI stands for Non-Resident Indian, and this is a story that's very personal to me. Having spent about 7 odd years in the US, I made the decision to move back to India, which, as you can imagine, was a very complicated, a very big, probably one of the biggest life decisions that I've made. And you won't believe it, but this process took me over a year and a half to, think through and execute. I had to do a lot of research and understand a lot of things like how do I, things like how to think about moving to India? What are the, key data points I should consider? What are the nitty-gritties of moving money from US to India? How to ship my luggage from US to India and my furniture? And what is like, the best mobile plan that I can use that works in the US from India and so on and so forth. So you can imagine that, there is a lot of technical details one needs to know as an NRI when they're considering moving back to India. So that's what NRI Assist tries to do. It is an AI agent that has access to all my information, all my resources, all my research around this topic, and it is built to answer questions on this topic based on my research to any user, typically, an NRI who is sort of looking at a similar journey. So that's a little bit of a background story, but let's look at the technical stuff over here. Before I give you a demo of NRI Assist, let's quickly jump over to my GitHub. Please take a look if you're interested in the actual code that was used and so on. Do like check out the GitHub and feel free to take a look and unpack it for yourself. But at a high level, what are the stuff, technical things that I've used to make this happen? OpenAI Assistants API to basically develop the AI agent and also incorporate tools like RAG and so on and function calling. Uh, I don't think I've used function calling in this. Um, so and then we use GPT 4.0 as an LLM. Then I also use Firestore database to track user activity on the data on the agent, basically to track what people are asking the agent and store it. I'm using Google OAuth for authentication, and then finally the app itself is built using Streamlit. So with that said, let's hop back in, and here is a quick demo of NRI Assist. You will first need to log in using Google OAuth. And once you're logged in, you can either use, one of these predefined questions. There's just like, a simple prompt for you to get started and going. But let's start with that. Why did you move to India, right? And then it's going to like be able to give you an answer as if it's me, right? These are all my thoughts on why I moved back to India. I moved back to India for financial stability, to kickstart my entrepreneurial aspirations. And I also was super excited about AI and everything happening in the space. So, I was very keen to like get started. India was the best place for me to do that. And also just my personal preference, wherein, my wife and I would have, we really found it to be very fulfilling to live closer to family. So these are all my reasons, and it's great that the AI is able to communicate that. So essentially, it's if somebody who has never met me before wanted to talk to me, and typically you would want to you'd have to reach out to the person and somehow get time with that person. But that this is like a convenient step in the middle, right? Where you could just like chat with an AI that has all the information that probably all that person already has, and then maybe as a second level, if you want more information and if you want to double click on things, you can go ahead and like set up time with the actual person. That in this case, I'm talking about myself, but you can see how this is a concept that can be extensible in general. Now let's ask one more question. This is going to be a really quick demo. Let's ask one more question and we can wrap it up. Um, let's see. What are the key considerations while transferring money from US to India? There you go. So the query has been sent. It's getting back to us with an answer. And yeah, so it's able to these are all like things that I have written down in my personal notes, and it's able to fetch that for you. It obviously uses a RAG to do that. We can have another session on RAG itself. Do let me know in the comment section if you'd like a detailed tutorial, or if you want me to cover any other topic. I'm happy to do that. But this was supposed to be a simple demo video, so I'm going to stop that. I'm going to stop with this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks.